Hello. Hi.
Where we are going now?
Today we are going mini picnic.
Hey, handsome guy. Hello guys. Are you guys excited?
Yeah, so excited.
So after long time, after 1 year I think, I'm vlogging. So right now we are going on picnic. I don't know which place. From our home it take 1 hour. What place? Don't know.
Muninagara Dam.
I can't pronounce. Muninagara Dam. After reach, we'll show you the location where we are. Then this all are forests. So as you can see fencing. Now this is fencing, but this electric fencing. How do electric fencing? We reach our destination. The road is a little bit the road is small because we are coming inside. It's not forest, right? But the road is not good. Highway is that side from we took highway inside. We'll see. We are coming here second day. But the road is so bad. Go slow. So finally we reached. Let's remove our things. The glass 먼저 켜야지 실로 모아봐. Yeah, because of Holi, na? Yeah, but it's good today. Only I think we are here. Last time too much crowded. Kingi last time merged on the plates na lang. Overcolor champagne. Kita siya. Yan kailangan niya lang. It's boiling now. I have to boil I think 15 minutes. Now I'm going to fry chicken stomach liver, and it is pure coconut oil from homemade, right? Alala jo shu balang kusok. This gas is very strong. So this is the ingredients. Put onion, tomato, green chili, and then lastly I'll put ginger garlic. I'll keep here like that.
Keep.
And then I think it's done, right? You don't take my first take. You just consider it here. I'll not put all. This is too much. I think not yet done. Just put some green chili. It will be so yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, this is the chinga. Put later. This is local chili powder for color. I'll add this little bit. smell is so good. So I'll cook 20 to 30 minutes in slow flame.
Done, right?
I will add spring onion and coriander leaf. What do you add, Avi?
Chili,
Tomato.
bamboo shoot.
Shoot. That's it.
That's it.
No oil. Nothing.
No oil.
And 1 king chili, right?
1 king chili.
Yeah.
That's it.
Garlic yok jang adik ya.
Hello, welcome.
Style ka lang dik ya. So mostly we put garlic now after cook everything, but today we'll just try cook and we'll put all the ingredients and cook. Kya dam na ka ni try sa chan do. Now cucumber. We'll have some snacks. I'll have some cold drinks.
Sinh hoạt của mình nó
Tôi nói không được ha.
không sẽ sao không?
Only water is enough. That's what I said. 简直很 cute 他了，这个看了，
Chỉ là con mình cả.
我这个没看了。它的 steam 是香的，它是你不要买的。
Kau ka? Ani kalau ka? Okay, actually fish is not yet done, but let me try this. Oh my god. Very hot.
Nó mình lỏng đâu? Nó chắc nó nàn à?
Chắc nó chưa là lòng. Let me try. Very yummy. You also try, Abby.
Yeah, sure.
You also try.
Just move here. Okay.
You also try. Good job. Suang da video li
Ai
pin.
ya mà luôn ít chọc thì tự
Pin à? Nó mới nặng rồi chứ đấy. Pin. Try. I think little bit salt, right? Or fine. I think in rice it will be fine.
Fine.
Curry is done. Oh my god, so yummy. Okay, let's turn off the flame. Done. Ini kira đâu? Okay, so we done our food, everything, but yeah, rice not yet cooked, but well, not yet right now, but it's now not yet 5:30. We'll cook after some time. So put la mi pa shim min so not yet done rice. And meanwhile I'm having chicken stomach liver. Not hungry, but yummy.
Hello. Betul. Binoy. അതെ 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 എന്താ കാര്യം എന്ന് വെച്ചാ ആ ആണോ ഏതാണ് പാട്ട് നമ്പർ
So it's already 6 o'clock. I think we'll leave after having food. So we thought that we were roaming there, but this is the forest now. So some village, one guy he came and told us like elephant will come, don't go too much far. Tiger, lots of deer is in Don side, but I don't want to go right now. I'm a little bit scared about tiger and elephant. But the place is looking so chill. Now it's almost 6 o'clock. Not hungry. I thought I will do mukbang, but I think when we are doing mukbang, I think it will be good. So I will show you what we have. Already show you ingredients and everything. My hair is too much. I'm not do mukbang today. Next time. But this place is very nice. Very nice. Hello! Welcome back to my another channel. Please do subscribe, like, subscribe, share with your family. But this place is really very good, Nante.
Yeah, it's very good. Yeah. If you're staying in Bangalore, then you can come and visit.
I don't have dinner or lunch, anything like. Okay, so stomach liver and then beef curry. Wait. So tonight we are not going to do mukbang because it's already dark. Yeah, it's already dark. So even I'm not hungry at all. So I will eat, but I'll not eat too much. You guys eat, okay? It's very dark. So this I'm not eating myself. I'll eat with my friend, but I'll just show you. We're going to have this today: salad, chicken stomach liver, and fish. No, I already tried this before, and let me try this fish. Oh, we're done. Very hot. But the fish curry is awesome. So we are not going to do mukbang. Come, let's eat. We'll see you in next video, or maybe I don't know. Come, we'll eat food. Awesome. That's so yummy. Over so right now we are leaving from here because I can't able to do mukbang also because it's so dark. So see you in next video, and this location is so good, like from Bangalore to this place. I think it's 1 hour only. I don't know actually the place. We are just randomly we came here. So okay, bye.